The Atlantic Pacific Australian Equity Fund invests in Australian listed securities and ASX 200 futures contracts. It is a variable beta long-short fund. What that means is variable beta simply that we can change our exposure to market volatility. The main instrument we use for that is the ASX 200 futures contracts, which we can go both long and short in depending on our view of the market. Long-short fund simply means that we go long by buying equities to profit from upside movements, and we can also go short by short selling securities to profit from their downside movements. Our core aim is to outperform the ASX 200 by capturing upside volatility and minimizing downside volatility. We strive to deliver strong absolute performance irrespective of the market direction. Thus, the fund can provide investors with a very different return profile that is uncorrelated to the rest of the market. Our primary focus is on downside protection. We don't tolerate large capital drawdowns for our investors. We seek returns that outperform the ASX 200, however doing so in a manner with significantly less downside volatility. The APSEC Funds Management team's investment philosophy is centred around the belief that markets are inefficient, and we look for asymmetrical trading opportunities. That is where the upside potential is greater than the downside risks. The team also believe that no one particular style of investing will always outperform. Therefore, we adopt a style neutral approach, adapting to the dominant style that is best suited depending on where the market is currently sitting within its investment cycle. The fund follows an investment process called quadruple alpha, which covers 4 key elements. The first being fundamentals. Fundamentals of companies such as balance sheet, profit and loss, cash flow items, and also earnings per share revisions. The second element is events. Events such as earnings season, results, important company announcements. The third element is macroeconomic environment, so assessing conditions such as interest rates, unemployment, inflation, and what effect they're having on the greater economy as a whole and particular sectors as well. And the fourth element is quantitative analysis, looking at company valuations and doing a deep dive on technical analysis and share price movement and activity. If you're a financial advisor, our fund may be seen as a great way of meeting the best interest duties for your clients, especially those who might be looking for a more defensive, less volatile equity investment, which can provide their portfolios with diversification in a manner that is highly differentiated. The team believe in active portfolio management and are continuously optimizing the fund to increase the likelihood of outperformance. One of the fund's key competitive advantages is that the APSEC Funds Management team have the tools and experience to manage volatility through proactive hedging and trading strategies, thus reducing downside risks. Quantitative analysis is conducted through the use of Halo. Halo is a sophisticated in-house developed research and investment management tool that, among a whole host of other things, provides signals for optimal timing of entering and exiting of trade positions. The ability to quickly change our net market exposure and hedge out market volatility by actively trading ASX 200 futures contracts means the fund can be seen as an all-weather style fund where we can deliver strong returns over the medium to long run while preserving investor capital along the way through much lower capital drawdowns than the overall market. Fund managers who are long only can experience significant capital drawdowns when markets move against them. Our ability to minimize these drawdowns via effective hedging means we can build long-term compounding growth for our investors, doing so in a manner that is uncorrelated to the market, providing a real point of differentiation for investors. The team at APSEC Funds Management look forward to assisting you in successfully navigating the market through all conditions and helping you achieve your investment goals. Thank you for your time.